Okay, the first step to replacing your shifter ball, unscrew the old one. This will be counterclockwise. Your new shifter ball is going to come with two pieces, a thread adapter and a nut. We're going to put the nut on first. What do you want to say for Next, install your thread adapter. And you'll notice the hex side goes down. Okay, next we're going to screw on the actual ball, but we're not done yet. Once we have that screwed on, we will have an adjustment to make that we'll cover in a second. Okay, so once we have this tightened on, you're going to see it's not lined up properly. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to take the ball back off to do this, but we're going to take that threaded adapter and we're going to turn it to where the ball would be lined up where we want it, and then take that first nut we put on and tighten it up against the threaded adapter so it can't back off. So kind of get an idea of how far you're going to have to go. We're going to have to go just about 45 degrees. So we're going to take the ball off and make that adjustment. Now, if your threaded adapter gets stuck inside your ball, that's fine. Just turn the nut as far as we needed to make the adjustment, and then this will tighten down against it. Same thing.
One touch.
And you may just have to play with this a couple times to get it lined up perfect. And that's pretty much perfect right there. So that's all there is to replacing your stock shifter with a Billet Workz shifter ball. Really hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit it with a like, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a lot more stuff coming on this 2023 WRX. As always, appreciate you watching, and I thank you for your support.